Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard dry fruit. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: milk, sugar, custard powder, and your favorite assortment of dry fruits. It's important to have everything ready and at room temperature. You'll need about 500 milliliters of milk to start this delicious dessert. Next, let's prepare the custard. Take 2 tablespoons of custard powder and dissolve it completely in a small amount of cold milk, ensuring no lumps remain. Now, heat the rest of your milk, adding 4 tablespoons of sugar until it fully dissolves. Gradually pour the cold custard mixture into the hot milk, whisking continuously until it thickens. Once your custard has reached a nice, thick consistency, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down a bit. This is the perfect time to gently fold in your selection of dry fruits, such as plump raisins, crunchy almonds, and rich cashews. For the best flavor and texture, refrigerate the custard for a minimum of 2 hours. Finally, your delicious custard dry fruit is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled as a refreshing and satisfying dessert. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a sprinkle of additional dry fruits or a vibrant sprig of fresh mint. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.